This Dafuceramic ceramic casserole dishes set of 4 is a thoughtfully designed bakeware solution created for modern kitchens that demand durability, versatility, and refined presentation. This premium ceramic bakeware set combines everyday functionality with timeless elegance, making it an essential addition for home cooks, baking enthusiasts, and anyone who values high-quality kitchen tools that perform as beautifully as they look. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment, designed to support a wide range of cooking needs. These ceramic casserole dishes for oven use are perfectly sized to handle everything from individual servings to generous family-style meals. Whether you are baking lasagna, roasting vegetables, preparing casseroles, or serving directly at the table, this rectangular baking pan set ensures you always have the right dish for the task. The versatility of this ceramic bakeware set allows for seamless transitions between preparation, cooking, storage, and serving, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. Crafted from premium porcelain, the Dafuceramic baking dishes are made using lead-free and non-toxic ceramic materials, ensuring safe food preparation for you and your family. The high-quality ceramic construction is engineered to resist chips, scratches, and stains, even with frequent use. These baking dishes are designed to withstand high oven temperatures while maintaining structural integrity, making them reliable for consistent baking and roasting results. One of the standout advantages of this ceramic bakeware set is its multi-appliance compatibility. These casserole dishes are safe for use in the oven, microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher, offering unmatched convenience for busy households. From reheating leftovers to storing prepped meals, this bakeware adapts effortlessly to your daily routine. The smooth glazed interior prevents food from sticking and resists staining, allowing for easy cleanup and long-lasting visual appeal. The inclusion of dual-side handles on each rectangular baking dish enhances safety and ease of use. These handles provide a secure, comfortable grip when transferring dishes from the oven or freezer directly to the table. This thoughtful design detail minimizes the risk of spills and ensures confident handling, even when dishes are hot or fully loaded. Additionally, the stackable design supports efficient storage, helping maintain a tidy and organized kitchen space. Beyond functionality, the Dafuceramic casserole dishes bring a clean, elegant aesthetic to any kitchen or dining setup. The classic white ceramic finish complements both modern and traditional decor, making this baking dish set suitable for everyday meals as well as special occasions. Its refined appearance makes it an excellent choice for serving guests directly from the oven, eliminating the need for additional servingware. This ceramic bakeware set also excels as a gift option. Its combination of practicality, durability, and elegant presentation makes it an ideal choice for weddings, housewarmings, birthdays, holidays, and special celebrations. Whether gifted to a newlywed couple or an experienced home chef, these baking dishes offer long-term value and everyday usefulness. Backed by the Dafuceramic promise, customer satisfaction remains a top priority. The brand's commitment to quality and responsive customer support ensures peace of mind with every purchase. This focus on reliability and service further reinforces the value of investing in this premium ceramic casserole dish set. Why this ceramic bakeware set stands out? Enhances cooking flexibility with multiple dish sizes, delivers consistent heat distribution for better baking results, combines durability with refined, minimalist design, simplifies cleanup and storage for everyday convenience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover how the Dafuceramic ceramic casserole dishes set of 4 can elevate your cooking and baking experience today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.